This lady is beautiful. This lady is beautiful. Before the installation, she was beautiful and she is still beautiful. I'm telling you, did you see her face before they actually wore that frontal wig on her? Without makeup, without earrings. She's so cute. And the installation, very seamless. Very seamless. This was done by Shay's Touch, and you can find them on Instagram. But man, it was her beauty that first of all caught my attention. She's beautiful, and this installation, 100/100. But one thing about frontal is, if you can't endure it, don't go for frontal. Except you have ACs in your car, in your house, everywhere. But it usually fits people. Actually, it fits people a lot. And this installation is so clean. This stylist knows what she's doing, and this came out perfectly well. So well. Look at that.